In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new gist on GitHub in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to expand your understanding of its features, this guide will clarify the process of creating a gist, a handy tool for sharing snippets of code or text quickly and effectively. First, let's go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to GitHub's website. Once you're on the GitHub dashboard, you'll notice a range of options and features to explore. The GitHub interface is designed to be intuitive, but I'll walk you through exactly where to go next. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, as this is where you'll find all the tools you need for today's task. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a plus button, which is key to our next step. Hover over or click this plus button for a drop-down menu to appear. This menu is the gateway to creating a variety of new items on GitHub. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to create repositories, issues, pull requests, and of course, gists, which is what we're focusing on today. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and select New Gist. Clicking on this will redirect you away from the dashboard straight to the gist creation page. Here, you'll find the interface for creating your gist, which is just as straightforward as accessing it. You'll see spaces provided to input your code snippet or any other text you wish to share. You can also add a description to give more context to your gist, helping others who might encounter it understand its purpose or functionality. Gists are remarkably useful because they can be public, letting others find and use them, or private, allowing you to share them with only specific people if that's what you need. This makes them great for collaboration, or simply for storing personal notes or code snippets in the cloud. It's an excellent tool for developers to keep reusable code or to share work with peers with ease. And there you have it. You're now familiar with the process of creating a new gist using GitHub. It's a simple yet powerful feature, and by taking advantage of it, you broaden the possibilities for code sharing and collaboration within the GitHub community. So next time you have some code or notes that need sharing, you can effortlessly create a gist to get the job done. Thank you for joining me in today's walkthrough, and I hope you now